Everybody, and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Steve here at Synchronicity Farms and Sandy Mush Smoke & Co. It's about the holiday season, so it's a great time to be going to the Etsy store. A little bar down here. But go to the Etsy store, check out our spice blends, and yeah, support the community that I'm trying to foster here. And I hope you're enjoying the cooking show. Hope you're enjoying the recipes that we're making, and inviting some friends and family over and sharing in some meals, because that's what I'm all about is that sharing of connection through cooking. So today we're going to be making egg drop soup. Really easy version of egg drop soup. I really like it because it's customizable to however you're feeling on that particular day. Today I'm going to be making a really simple one. Just some beef broth, spices, whipped egg, and some soy sauce. The different permutations you can make from there are adding vegetables. You could add lemongrass, you could add mushrooms, you could add bean sprouts, you could add, what else could you add? You could add onions and garlic, saute them first. You could put them in at the end so they're a little, if you chop them a little finer, you can add them at the end a little crunchier, a little more pop in the onion flavor. What else have I done? All sorts of the like black ear mushrooms, wood ear mushrooms, bamboo. You could add in some Chinese style soup vegetables, some bamboo shoots, and some water chestnuts. However it is that you're feeling in that moment, you can make this soup. It's really great. You can spice it up. You can leave it bland. It's very flexible. All right, so let's just get into it. So as I said, it's very flexible, but we're just going to be making the stripped down version here. So what you can see is I've taken the broth. It's about half of a container of broth. So it's about a pint of broth. And I've whipped the eggs, heated the broth up to a simmer. Not quite a boil, but you want like a good simmer to it. And now I'm just going to stir the broth and add in the whipped egg as I'm doing that. You could change this as well if you like it chunkier. Add the egg in bigger chunks. If you want it a little a thicker soup with tinier pieces of egg, you can add it in very, very, very slowly. So it's up to you how you want to do it. Again, it's a dish that's very easily customizable. So as you can see here, we're just doing that. And also I forgot to mention today, the spice that we're using is Sandy Mush Smoke & Co.'s Thai Stick Hash Spice Blend. So yeah, thanks for stopping by for Cooking with Steve. Don't forget to check out the Etsy store for your spice blend, the Thai Stick Spice Blend, or any of the other spices we have going on. You can get the t-shirt, the hat, the apron that we do. And yeah, just support us and thank you very much. Love you guys.